guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you've been here before, it is always good to see you guys. So a little bit since the last video. So my last video was my very first YouTube video, and I was super excited to finally get that out, because if you know, then you know I've been trying to get on YouTube for years, like literally. And I really didn't have no excuse for real. Like I didn't have a MacBook for a long time, and I just received one though. Like it was a gift from a special somebody, and it's so crazy because I was talking about, you know, that I really want to start YouTube so bad, but I don't have a laptop, and I'm just like, you know, just telling my friend like, yeah, I need to get me a MacBook. Like I don't know what I'm waiting on. I don't know why I keep procrastinating. I need to go ahead and get one. So y'all, a few days later, they come back and see me, and guess what they got? A MacBook for me. Like that was just so sweet. I was like, oh, you thought about me. So shout out to them, because if it weren't for them, y'all, I probably still would not be on YouTube. But I thank God for placing certain people in my life, you know what I'm saying? I thank God for everybody that's in my life. But you know, it's some people that come into your life that really look out for you, really want to see you win, really want the best for you, and that's just where I'm at right now. I really thank God for placing certain people in my life to make my life easy. I did a soft glam, really easy. It didn't take me long to do at all, y'all. Normally eyeshadow gives me like really bad anxiety, because sometimes I feel like I don't know how to do eyeshadow, but it's not even that. It's really because I don't practice it. Y'all know the more y'all practice something, the better that you get. So when y'all get into the video, y'all gonna see like, okay, eyeshadow is not too bad. It's really like 3 basic colors and then like a color for your eyelid. So yeah, your girl was trying to color coordinate with the eyes and the outfit. Stay tuned for this video and watch how I got this look.
Hey guys, as you can see, I've already done my brows off camera, so let's just get straight into the video. We're going to start off by applying our primer by MAC. This is a technique used to give an even base to start with. I'm going to blend this all the way out. I'm going to blend it up into my concealer. What I love about this product is that it's super full coverage. What I dislike is that you really have to hurry up and pack it on because it dries really fast. Now I'm just going in with some translucent setting powder to set the eyes. We don't want any creasing. Now we're going to go in with this ColourPop palette. I'm going to start off with this beautiful shade in the color Pretty Cool. And I'm going to blend this out right underneath my brows. I'm using a fluffy brush to diffuse this light purple shade into my concealer underneath my brows. Now you'll see me add more product on, and that is to intensify this shade. Now we're going to go in with this darker purple shade in my 35 Morphe palette, and we're just gonna place this right underneath this shade. We're gonna blend this out back and forth in circular motions. And now I'm just going in again to intensify that shade, making it more bold. And I'm just gonna blend this out until you can't see any harsh lines. Now we're going to go in with the shade black in that same palette, and we're going to apply this right underneath that previous shade. This is going to give the eye some depth and really make it pop. We're just going to fluff this out really nicely to remove any harsh lines. And it's okay to go in and pack that color on just to give it a vibrant effect. Now we're going to go in with the shimmer shade in Indio in the ColourPop palette, and I'm going to just apply this all over my lid. Glitter is very messy, guys, so you have to really be careful when applying. Now I'm going to go in with this lighter shade in my inner corner in the color Matter of Fact in the same ColourPop palette, and I'm going to diffuse this into the purple and into the shimmery shade that was placed on my eyelid. I'm just going in, making sure that I didn't miss any spots. I just want this to be really bold. I have hooded eyelids, so I have to really place it higher than what I would normally place it. Now I'm going to go in with some liquid eyeliner, and I'm just going to draw this line where the glitter stops. I don't want to take it all the way into the black because you really won't see it. Now I'm going to go in with these lashes using my duo glue, and I'm going to apply them. Now I'm going to go in with my Hydro Boost Neutrogena gel using some primer as well to prep my face. Now I'm going straight in with some foundation using NARS and Anastasia's foundation mixed together. I find it's easier to get my skin complexion when I mix two shades. And I have dark spots, so I want to make sure that my foundation is really full coverage. And we're going to apply this all over the face except right underneath my eyes because I'm going to apply concealer there. Now I'm using a big dome brush to blend this into my skin. Using a little bit of my rose water spray, and I'm going to use my beauty blender to better seal that concealer into my face so that it looks like skin. Now I'm going to go in with my Tarte Tape Shape concealer in the inner corner and on the outer corner of my eyes. When I apply concealer, I always apply it right underneath my eyes, on my forehead, on my chin, my cupid's bow, and my nose. Now I'm going to go in with my Black Opal contour shade, and I'm going to put this on my nose, my forehead, underneath my jawbone, and my cheeks. What I'm doing here is just adding a lighter color concealer to give me a bright under eye. Now it's time for blending. I'm going to go ahead and blend out my contour first and work my way up. I always start from the bottom first and work my way up. And when blending, you want to blend out the edges and then blend out the middle of the product. Blending is super important. You want to make sure that you don't have any lines. You want to make sure everything is blended into the previous shades. Now I'm taking this contour up into my brow. And now I'm going to blend out my concealer. I use this Real Techniques smaller brush to really get in those smaller areas to better have a more precise line. I want this to be really sharp, so I'm going to blend this out with something smaller to get in those spaces. Now I'm just using my beauty blender to blend out my edges first. And then I'm going to go in and then blend the middle. Blending takes time, guys. Take your time to blend everything out. I promise you it's going to reward you in the long run. Your face will be much smoother. Y'all, I don't know why my hand looked like this. It looked very crazy when I was trying to blend, and I'm just like, wow, I really look like that man off of Scary Movie. But anyway, we're just going to move on to the next step, which is blush. I always apply liquid first, and I'm going to use 2 blushes today. I'm going to be using Juvia's Place blush and Rare Beauty, and you're just going to apply this right above your cheekbones, and you're going to take it to your hairline. Now I just always, right before I place my powder on, I have to go in and blend even more. So I wanted to try this sponge out, guys. This is my first time using it. I wanted to see how it applied my powder. It was a really nice sponge, don't get me wrong, but for me, it was just a tad bit too big to really get in there. So I had to go in with my Beauty Puff to better get in those areas like underneath my eyes where I crease really bad. This sponge is just perfect for setting powder. I love it. And now I'm just setting all the areas where I apply concealer, and to make my face more sharp, I'm just going to place it right underneath my contour. Now I have to put my powder on for my contour, because everywhere you put liquid, you want to set with powder so that the product does not move. So that's what I'm doing here, just adding my powder on top of my creams to set my face. Now we can go in with our powder blush. I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place Volume 4 blush and the Dior blush. And I'm going to mix those 2 together to get the perfect pink shade. You want to blend this with a flat brush. And now I'm just taking a Real Technique brush and blending out the powder. I'm going to be using my MAC pencil in Chestnut. I love this pencil. I don't use any other pencils besides this one. I love it. It's my holy grail. And now I am going to set my face using some setting powder by MAC, the Studio Fix. I love this. What this does is bring everything together. It blends everything out. It removes any extra harsh lines, and it gives you that perfect even skin tone.
I really enjoyed you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in to my video. I hope to see you again soon in my next video. And before you leave, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that you can get notified when I post my next video. And I will see you guys soon. Bye. All for today. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much.